Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating the company and enabling billing features. This primes Tally for invoicing. First, make customer ledgers with GSTIN and contact info, then configure sales ledgers with proper tax rates. Once done, set up voucher types for sales and credit notes, and enable inventory units if you bill by quantity. Make sure to define number formats and invoice numbering in accounts info so your bills print consistently. This saves corrections later. Now you focus on items and mappings. Add each product or service with HSN, unit, and default rate so invoices populate automatically. You also create price lists for customer-specific pricing or volume discounts. This avoids manual edits during billing. Once items exist, map each to the correct sales and GST ledgers so the tax reflects accurately. When all mappings are set, test with a draft invoice and check calculated totals so there are no surprises at print time. You finish by creating the sales invoice. Choose the voucher type, pick customer and items, enter quantities and rates, then confirm GST and totals. Tally computes tax and ledgers automatically. Once satisfied, print or email using the configured format. Make sure headers, invoice numbering, and bank details are correct. If amounts don't match expectations, check item GST slabs, sales ledger mapping, and rounding settings. Adjusting those resolves most issues and keeps your books accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.